First, under the glove box, remove the two plastic tabs that secure the bottom panel. Next, remove the bottom panel.
On the left side of the footwell, locate the air filter housing, and using your T15 Torx driver, remove the securing screw.
Squeeze the sides and pull out on the filter housing cover to remove it. Remove the old air filter.
Notice that the dirt and debris on the front side of the filter indicates that the air flows toward the back of the vehicle. Ensure the airflow indicators on the new filter are pointing toward the back of the vehicle.
Slide in the new filter. Reinstall the filter housing cover by squeezing the sides inward and pressing the cover in. Replace the bottom panel and reinstall the two plastic tabs. And with that, we conclude this install.